Hello everyone, welcome to my YT channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own home server. Let's get started. So first open the link given in the description. So then click on download 64-bit button here. So it will start installing XAMPP Windows installer. To just open this file. So here you can see the XAMPP Windows x64 installer. So it's just loading. Yes. So then it will open the installer. Then click on next. Choose the destination where you want to save. So by default it will save in the C folder, that where your Windows has been installed. So if you want you can also change. So I will change it to my local disk D. So and I click on next. So I will just create a new folder here for XAMPP. Then click on next. So the install will begin. So after installing the XAMPP server on your PC, this pop-up will open, and then click on allow access button. So then click on finish here. So I think it will automatically, here you can see the XAMPP control panel. So here first what you should do is start the Apache server and the MySQL. So then minimize this. So again this pop-up will open. So then click on allow access. So now your question is how to add the files to this server and how to make it access in your Wi-Fi. So that's first I will show you how to add files to it. So here I have a photo of this school. So I'm going to just copy this. So first go to this PC and choose the disk where you saved, where you have installed your XAMPP server. So I have installed this on my XAMPP local disk D. So I want to just open this disk, and here you can see the XAMPP. So here you can see the htdocs folder. So then click on send to here, and then click on the desktop create shortcut. So now you need not to go there. So in the desktop only you can see the shortcut. So just open this shortcut and delete all the files, and I will so I'm going to delete all these files. So I'm going to just paste the item which I copied. So I'm going to just so I'm going to just copy any of my folder. So go to downloads, and here's one pic. So I'm going to htdocs and paste it here. So now your XAMPP server is running, and to access this you can access these files by localhost. So if you just search for localhost here you can see the image which I uploaded. So now it is accessible in localhost. How to make it accessible in your Wi-Fi coverage? So that first open that uh, your Wi-Fi router admin login panel. So I think this is my no, yeah. So this is my login panel. So I want to just log in with my TP-Link ID and my router is TP-Link. So then click on advanced. So then in that TP-Link, just like you can do this. So first then click on network here and static routing. So then click on add button here and first paste your IP address. So you can access this IP address by opening the command prompt and by typing the command ipconfig without any spaces and without any caps. So here is your IP and all the details you will get by typing this command. So I want to just paste it here. The subnet and the subnet mask here, it is available here. So I'm going to just copy this, want to paste here. Default gateway also it is available here. So you can add the description what you want. So I will add the description as home server. So then click on save. So now I will just copy this IP address and let's check whether it's working or not. So here you can see now it is accessible in your home router. So to access this IP address, you need to your devices should be connected to the router which you just installed this all these steps on your router, that should be enabled. And the other thing is free method which I showed you. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.